Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of generate server on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above, you search about Reddit and you click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about the application of Reddit. If you find update, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.